When you search for the best banana plugs for speakers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Fos Power 12 pairs. Let's kick things off with the Fos Power Banana Plugs 12 pairs. Priced at $27.16, these are a top choice, and honestly, it's easy to see why. If you want a reliable connection for your home theater, this is worth a serious look. What caught my attention is the closed screw design with dual screws. This feature isolates the wires, preventing any shorting out, which is crucial for maintaining sound quality. Plus, the gold plating resists corrosion. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of dealing with poor connections that ruin your audio experience, these plugs ensure a stable link with your equipment. The Fos Power plugs work with various sizes of speaker wire, from 12 AWG to 18 AWG, making them adaptable to your needs. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance you gain is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a home theater system and want quality connections without hassle. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-budget, as the value is reflected in its durability and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more compact solution. Product number 2, Fos Power 5 pairs. Next up is another Fos Power product, but this time it's the 5 pairs for $14.36. If you want quality without breaking the bank, you should definitely consider this. Similar to the 12 pairs, these plugs feature a closed-type design with dual screws to keep your wires secure and prevent shorts. This means you can set up your speakers with confidence, knowing that your audio won't drop out because of a loose connection. With over 22,900 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear they have a solid following. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're setting up a simple stereo system or need replacements, these plugs are a straightforward, reliable option that won't complicate your setup. Some folks have reported that the durability isn't as high as they expected. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution for connecting your speakers without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you need high-end performance for a professional setup, as they are more suited for casual use. Now, if the price of that last Fos Power option was a concern for you, the next product offers a great balance of quality and affordability. Product number 3, Fos Power 6 pairs. The Fos Power 6 pairs comes in at $16.96, and it's another fantastic choice for speaker connections. If you want a bit more variety in color coding and still want to keep costs reasonable, this is worth a look. What stands out here is the multicolor design, which helps you easily identify connections. This is especially useful if you're setting up multiple speakers or a surround sound system. The closed-type design with dual screws also keeps your wires secure, ensuring that your audio quality remains high. No one wants to deal with interference or dropouts. Rated at 4.6 stars from a whopping 22,900 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate these plugs. Here's why this matters for you. If you're setting up a complex audio system at home, these will help you manage your connections more effectively. Some users have pointed out that the color coding can be confusing if you're not familiar with wiring, but personally, I think it's a helpful feature once you get used to it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable yet colorful option for your speaker connections. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward, no-fuss design. Alright, if you need a more integrated solution that combines speaker wire and banana plugs, the next product might interest you. Product number 4, GearIT speaker wire. Now let's talk about the GearIT 14-gauge OFC speaker wire with banana plugs priced at $27.95. If you're looking for high-fidelity audio without the hassle of separate components, this is a solid pick. What makes this unique is that it comes with pre-terminated banana plugs attached to 14-gauge oxygen-free copper wire. The soft-touch banana tip is color-coded, making it easy to connect to your speakers. With a 4.7-star rating across 1,500 reviews, this product is well regarded among users looking for quality. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're not keen on DIY wiring and just want a plug-and-play solution for your audio setup, this is ideal. Some users did mention that the wire flexibility can be a downside if you need to route it through tight spaces. But honestly, for most setups, the flexibility is a big plus, allowing for easier installation. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free setup with high-quality sound. Skip this if you're looking for something completely customizable, as this comes as a packaged solution. Now, if you want something with a more professional touch, the last product has you covered. Product number 5, Nakamichi Fan Lock. Last but not least, we have the Nakamichi Fan Lock Excel Series 24K gold-plated banana plugs priced at $12.95. If you want quick connections with great sound quality, this product is compelling. The fan lock design means you can connect and disconnect your speakers without any hassle, especially in tight spaces. Plus, the color-coded sleeve helps you easily identify polarities for the best sound. With a 4.7-star rating and over 929 reviews, these are definitely a favorite. Here's why this matters for you. If you're frequently connecting and disconnecting your speakers, you'll appreciate how easy and quick it is to swap them. Some users have mentioned that the plugs can be a bit bulky, which might be challenging in very tight setups. But honestly, the ease of use outweighs this issue for most home setups. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and reliable connection for speakers in tight spaces. Skip this if you need something smaller and more discreet, as these are designed for functionality. In terms of value, each of these plugs offers unique features catering to different needs, so consider what fits your setup best. So to recap, we've looked at the Fos Power 12 pairs for reliability, the 5 pairs for budget-friendly quality, the multicolor 6 pairs for versatility, GearIT's packaged solution for ease, and Nakamichi for quick connections. Each option has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making a decision.